will paint this dolphin. Let's paint together. Blue color. Wow! Please subscribe. Violet color. Wow! Red color. Ready. This is Octopus. Wow! Pink color. What a beautiful octopus. Red color. Wow! Ready. Do you know the cartoon about a fish named Nemo? Let's paint this fish like a Nemo. Wow! Orange color. Black color. It's going to be so colorful after the painting. Wow! Ready. See you on next video.